Join us on our ice-capade chore morning. I literally can't move. Wow.
Go ahead, have fun. No.
Exit the vehicle, farmer woman.
No.
Whee!
Oh, honey.
I'm going downhill.
Oh, I'm scared.
Okay. I literally got it. Hold on.
No.
Okay.
Careful. What'd you get in the barn?
I'm trying.
Oh my goodness.
In case you don't know what I'm talking about, that is ice on our fence.
Oh no. It's starting to drizzle.
On top of it, yeah. Even the cat's having a hard time walking. You see that? It shouldn't be so bad. Whoop, I was wrong. I can't even walk on the grass here, guys. If I was over water, I'd be freaking out right now. Your water froze, guys. Sorry. I gotta clear it. I'm sorry. Everything's frozen. This is not boding well for me. There's icing on the icy day. Hi, baby. How are you doing, huh? How you doing in this crazy ice? See that pole, y'all? That's just some serious ice buildup. I'm literally freaking out a little bit walking on this. I don't know why my heater didn't keep it on. I am literally ice skating. Because I don't, believe it or not, for some reason, I don't have cleats. I'm not sure why. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Frozen in. I cannot get in the cage. It's frozen solid. I gotta figure out how to get these guys water. Well, this will be interesting today. Here's an example of the difference. Under the roof. I got food, but I'm not sure how to get them watered today. I gotta figure that out. Okay. I have never been in an ice storm where I've had to go out in it like this, I am so gonna fall. I'm going down a hill now, so if the camera goes wanky, you know what happened. Wow, this is bad. There goes. Oh, nope. Oh, it's getting slipperier. You know those videos where people are out falling on ice because they're stupid being out? Farmers have to be stupid being out every day in this. I'm literally trying to find any kind of traction. This is hard walking. Okay, we are on the selfie stick now, but I have found in my cupboards ice cleats. I thought I had some because we are under a major ice storm, and we're gonna go feed the pigs now. And I'm gonna turn the camera around because it's more interesting to look at the weather around me than me. Hi, chicken.